Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Where have you been? Where have you been? Where have I been? It's been a while since I've done the video, and I apologize for that. There's been a few things going on with the studio, major changes to the studio, but nothing that really would be interesting for this channel, so I haven't done any videos about it. The changes to the studio have been that my business has moved more towards products that are finished as paintings but begin as photography. That's not what this channel's about, and I don't want to confuse or turn away people who have come to this channel for photography tips, tricks, wisdom. So let's talk about that. Another reason I haven't done a video in a while is because honestly, I don't want to repeat myself. I've done a lot of videos that give some tips about lighting, photography, things like that, some gear. There's an overwhelming temptation in the YouTube world to repeat yourself in ways that look a little different but really aren't. The other temptation is to go to gear reviews. I really don't ever intend to go to gear reviews. It would be a lot easier, I assure you. But I feel I'm here to talk about how your photography is impacted by what's going on in the photography industry. Often that's gear, but often it's not. Often it's just skill and experience. So given all that, videos will be fewer, hopefully more relevant. I don't know about better. That's up to you if they're better. But I'm trying to go for a little bit more relevant, a little bit more insightful. I'm gonna be honest, it's not easy. I am speaking from what I see in comments to quite a diverse audience, from people who are fairly experienced and professional to raw beginners. I try to divide up my content as much as I can. I know some of the videos are gonna leave some of you cold. I'm trying. Let me know how I'm doing. In the near future, I've got a couple of videos that I'm planning on doing. One, obviously, is Canon's come out with some new cameras, and I think that is relevant. We always have to look where the state of the art is in terms of image making and how it relates to your photography. I just received another offer from a manufacturer about a piece of kit. That it's a piece of kit I may actually want for myself. If I look at it and I determine that it is something I want in my studio, I will do a review of it. So that's just two of the things I've got on the burner right now. I'm not going to be doing videos every week. I really feel that it was getting to the point where I was just doing a video for the sake of doing a video, and it wasn't giving you all the value that I feel you should get. I truly appreciate your support of this channel. I'm still here, everything's okay, and I will see you soon. Until the next video, cheers.